Hi there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Just another bi-weekly update on Denise's portfolio. She's bought tunas this week and we'll see how it's performing. Let's check it out. Here we have today's buy, and it's Tuna's Automotive Group, and Denise has bought $1,110.09. So $1,000 for the regular fortnightly investment, plus the $110.09 for dividends that are added up that went into the wallet. So just over $1,100 into Tuna's Automotive. You can see down here 252 shares, $4.37 per share, and a transaction fee of $5.50. So let's go back here. Once again, we can see the ladder increasing up here. Regular investing, more regular investing. And if we go and have a look at the ladder over the last week's not going to tell us much. But it did actually drop here in recent times, and a month ago the portfolio was down $272 odd. It's clawed its way back up, so it's a respectable, $270 to the good. So that's good, I suppose. So not a great deal of movement there. $18,000 put in. The portfolio's made $270. That's not going to get pulled out anytime soon, I could imagine. So, however, it is what it is. Go over here today. Have a look at Denise's portfolio. Well, today her portfolio lost $37, and Tuna's actually dropped almost 1%. So hopefully tomorrow it will crawl its way back up. But it is going ex-dividend on the 17th of Jan, and essentially this investment has literally been doubled. So there was going to be a payout of roughly about $11. Now it's up to $23, so that's something to look forward to. So we've got $23.31 coming up in January. Go and have a look at the dividend page, and we'll have a look at the summary of the dividends. So to date, this portfolio has made $468.71. So it's lost a little bit of the capital value of the shares, but the dividends have more than made up for that. And like I say, $270 for the good. But if no more money was put into this, then we'd be expecting roughly about $500 a year for this portfolio, assuming January, February, March, and April will have money making dividends next year. So $500 to $600 would be a reasonable sort of guesstimate of what this portfolio could do. So not a lot, $10 a week. Not going to go very far, is it really? So never mind. Go back to here. We'll have a look at the NZ50 charts just for a bit of a browse, and up and down as per normal. Still in a bit of a lull at the moment, but just got to carry on. Simple as that. It's getting close to 20,000, which is really good, and 20,000 will be a major milestone. We're going to have a look at the share allocation. Once again, finally, financial services have dropped under 50% of the portfolio now that some more money's been added into Turners, which will come under this one, the consumer one, sitting in here. But in my opinion, these are probably a good range of stocks with a good dividend yield there. So we're looking at an average of 6.14%, which is the trailing annual dividend yield. So expecting sort of, 5 to 6%, generally speaking, on this selection of stocks and equities. That about wraps up this episode of Road to 100K. Hope you learnt something. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more episodes for this series and for all our other frugal and financial independence videos. And we'll see you in the next video, and have a great, awesome night. See you later. Bye-bye.